Whoa! Oh. Whoa! Ferris wheel inside a mall. Brianna gonna try this Palisade Clam Adventure. Test your balance. Test your courage. Oh, you get two different ones, mommy.
Under 48 inches, you go over here. This one.
Oh, this one? This one, nothing. You are taller than 48 inches.
You are 49.
A girl inch.
Yeah, literally. An inch.
Even if I take off. Look, I'm still an inch.
No, you're right at 48. What's your shoes? Actually, I don't know if they'll let you.
You gonna do it? You gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
You gonna do it? Okay.